In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep a row visible while scrolling in Google Sheets. This is a really handy feature when you're working with long lists, because it keeps your header row pinned at the top, no matter how far down you scroll. Let's start with the first step. Open Google Sheets in your browser. Once the Google Sheets homepage loads, look at the Recent Spreadsheets area near the top. From there, click the spreadsheet you created during setup so it opens up in the editor. Sometimes when a spreadsheet opens, it lands lower down the sheet instead of at the very top. If that happens to you, grab the vertical scroll bar on the right side of the screen and drag it all the way up, so that row 1 is visible at the top of your view. This makes the next step much easier to follow. Now we're going to freeze the header row. Move your cursor to the very left edge of the sheet where the row numbers are listed. Click on Row Header 1 to select the entire first row. You should see the whole row highlighted across the screen. Next, look up at the top menu bar and click View. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Hover your cursor over Freeze, and a side menu will slide out to the right. From that side menu, click one row. Now take a close look just under row 1. You should see a dark horizontal line appear directly beneath it. That line is your visual confirmation that the freeze has been applied successfully, and row 1 is now pinned in place. Let's move on and verify the row stays visible while scrolling. Use your mouse wheel, or click and drag the vertical scroll bar to scroll down through the spreadsheet. As you scroll, watch what happens at the top of the sheet. Row 1 should remain locked in place, while the order rows beneath it slide upward and out of view. To finish, click any cell below the frozen line. This confirms that the rest of the sheet still works normally beneath the pin header, and you can continue editing data as usual. And that's the result. Row 1 stays visible at the top of the Google Sheets grid while you scroll through the rows underneath it. The dark horizontal line under row 1 marks the frozen area, and the spreadsheet data itself remains completely unchanged.